If you have the Invictus Active Smart Trainer, then you first need to fit your speed and distance sensor. As you can see, there is a magnet built into the roller, which is where the speed is calculated from, and fitting the sensor is easy. Just slide your sensor through the frame and tighten the two bolts up underneath your trainer. You then need to download the Wahoo Fitness App, which you can do from the App Store or Google Play. We now need to set the app up and link it to your Invictus Active Trainer. When you first open the app, tap Settings, scroll to the bottom and tap Create Workout Profile. Then at the bottom you'll see a wheelchair symbol. Tap this and change the profile name to Invictus Active Trainer. Next we need to link the sensor to the app. In Settings, tap Sensors, then Add New Sensor and quickly pair a sensor, and ensure your sensor on the trainer is next to the magnet around 1 or 2 millimeters when you rotate the roller. The app will then pick up the sensor via Bluetooth, tap Wahoo Blue SC, and then Save Sensor. The app will then ask you which profile you wish to link to the sensor. This step is very important and you need to ensure there is a blue tick next to the Invictus Active Trainer profile that you created in the previous step. Next we need to set the wheel circumference. Tap Wheel Circumference and edit the custom size to 0.262. This is actually the circumference of the trainer roller itself, as the speed and distance is calculated from the roller and the trainer, and this will display an accurate speed and data. We now need to set the data sources for your speed and distance sensor. So tap Settings, then to your workout profile, Invictus Active Trainer, then tap Linked Sensors and ensure there is a blue tick next to the blue SC that we have just paired. Then slide the Enable GPS, as this is not needed when working out on the trainer. Then tap Data Sources and ensure there is a blue tick next to the Wahoo Blue SC. You can ensure that none is ticked next to Cadence, as this is also not needed. This ensures that all the data sources are correct and that speed and distance will display correctly when working out on your trainer. You are now ready to start working out. Tap Workout and change the workout profile to Invictus Active Trainer. Then tap the blue Start Workout. As the sensor is linked, it will display speed, distance, workout time, and you can scroll left and right to display different screens and data. When you have finished working out, tap Stop, and this gives you the option to save the workout. This enables you to create a history and see how you progress over time in terms of getting faster, stronger, and overall fitter from using your Invictus Active Trainer. It's a great way to keep a log and see your improvement over a period of time. You can pull up any previous workout from the app and see all the data that was recorded. We also have a range of workout videos which you can use to boost your fitness, from muscle strength to weight loss to flexibility. Head over to our website to find out more. You may also wish to create a Wahoo profile, which you can do from within the app. Just tap Profile, enter your details and sign up for a free Wahoo account.